Want to make AI images or videos, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Kling AI image and video maker. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Kling AI, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Kling AI in the search bar. Tap Kling AI when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Kling AI app to make AI images and videos. That's all it takes to download Kling AI. Want to try out other AI apps? Check out our full playlist of AI app tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.